we'll guide you through how to face swap in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a website that can be accessed computers and smartphones. On your computer desktop, right-click on the Google Chrome shortcut and click Open to launch the browser. When the browser opens, Google Chrome will display the screen. Look at the top of the screen, click on the address bar, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the results page, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com, and you will be directed to the Photopea homepage. Before starting the process, prepare the photos you want to edit. You must prepare 2 photos that you want to swap faces between. After that, select Open from Computer to access your photos. Locate the prepared files, click on a photo, and open it. Once the files are loaded, the Photopea editing page will appear. A tip is to use photos with the same camera angle and with faces looking in the same direction for better results. In this example, the face in the first photo will be swapped with the face in the second photo. First, select the second photo layer and look at the toolbar menu. Find and use the lasso tool to select the face area, including the eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. Do this carefully and slowly, making sure the starting point connects with the ending point. Next, press Ctrl and J together to duplicate the selection. Hide the second photo layer and place it below the first photo layer. Lower the opacity of the selected face, then resize and reposition it until the eyes, nose, and mouth align correctly with the first photo. Use the zoom, rotate, transform, and other tools to create smoother blending. Increase the opacity back to 100% and add a layer mask. Use the brush tool with 0 hardness and low opacity. Then brush around the face edges to blend them naturally. Finally, select both layers. Open the Edit menu. Choose the Auto Blend feature and wait for the process to finish. You have now learned how to face swap in Photopea.